In programming, scope refers to how much of something, such as a variable, is visible to various parts of the code. With PHP, scope also concerns the PHP blocks. Though you can have multiple blocks, they're all considered part of the same program. But how are variables seen between the blocks?
Your code can have many PHP chunks intermixed with HTML as shown here. This function is held in a PHP block, HTML here, and another PHP block. This is my approach when I intermix PHP with HTML, but these blocks are all the same code. The function here is called from here, and it all works together. The output proves it. I could even split this one PHP chunk in two. Some HTML could go between the two. It doesn't matter. The code's scope is the entire file. All the blocks have access to each other, variables and functions. This code falls in 3 blocks. Here you see variable offset. It's defined here and used in the function. It also appears here. But the variable's value doesn't appear in the output. The issue here is that variable offset, as well as r, and even the parameter variable string, are local to the function block. They are unavailable to the rest of the code because their scope is limited to inside of these braces. The value returned is available, but it's stored way down here in another variable. This code uses the global keyword to ensure that variable offset is available to all parts of the program, even though it's enclosed in braces within the function. It may appear that the value isn't output, but it is. Let me explain. The problem are these braces. Offset's value is assigned here within this scope, not out here. Let me modify. Save. The output shows 100, but this isn't the same value as reported within the function. To widen the variable's scope, it must be declared global here, not here. Now you see the value output properly. The variable is declared global within the entire code's scope. Here is my solution from another challenge. Your task is to split this PHP code up into separate blocks, however many you like. For example, you can remove the plain HTML output statements and have them just as HTML. Keep the rest of the code inside separate PHP blocks. My solution is available in the exercise files, though how and where you split the code into blocks is up to you.